from Suvarnabhumi School to Tumpuk 1 campus. His topic is effective teachers start with effective teaching. Please welcome.
Hello, teacher. Hello. Hi, teacher. Oh, hi. You are so good, teacher. Oh, thank you so much.
I love the word teacher. Since I was in high school, I love that words. That's why I become a teacher today. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Contestier, first of all, I would like to pay my respects to Mr. Kim Pon, Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Thao Visna, as a Chief Operation Officer, NTC Management Team, Principal, Vice Principals, Honorable Judges, the representative from UK, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Mir Visna. I am a contestant on behalf of Suvarnabhumi School to Tumpuk 1 campus. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a very great day for me, I think. To be here, standing on the stage of the grand final round of NTC Teachers Public Speaking Contest. And it is very privileged for me to present you on the topic that goes with the word effective teachers start with effective teaching. Ladies and gentlemen, before going deep to the topic, let me define two keywords. First, effective. According to Oxford Dictionaries, the word effective refers to producing a successful result. The second word is teaching. You know the word teaching. It's the process of giving the lesson to the student or someone else. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable judges, distinguished guests, the discussion today is about we can be an effective teacher only if our teaching produces a lot of successful results in our teaching career. Let me ask you some questions, ladies and gentlemen, especially school principals. I know that most of you used to be a teacher. So, how many of you are still teaching right now? And how many of you used to be teachers? And how to be effective teachers? The word teacher is not difficult. And working as a teacher is not difficult. But an effective teacher is not really easy. I have two main practical strategies in order to be effective teacher, ladies and gentlemen. First, in order to be effective teachers, we have to teach with planning. So what do you think about planning? And what do you think whether your teachers or the teacher at your campus plan the lesson well or not? So do you think they plan well or not? You can find out by yourself. So these first strategies, we can practice it and can be an effective teacher. Teaching without planning is nothing. Even though you are a good teacher, you have lots of experience already, but if you teach without planning, it's 50%. But if you plan, 50 more and become 100%. So don't just prove that, oh, I don't plan because I did for more than 10 years. I don't need to plan. This is the first strategy. The second strategy is keep sharpening the sword. Don't believe that you are full of knowledge. Don't believe that your age or your experience can tell about your capacity. Don't believe that your glass is full. You have to empty your glass. No matter how long you are teaching, if you don't sharpen your knowledge, if you don't read the books, if you don't develop your skills, your teaching it doesn't work. Because now we are working, or we develop into the 21st century. we have to follow, we have to go, we have to apply our 21st centuries, not grammar translation method anymore. Ladies and gentlemen, these three main strategies, I believe that if you practice it, we can be effective teachers. Last but not least, I still encourage ladies and gentlemen, everybody, try to sharpen your sword or follow these two strategies first. Teaching with planning, keep it, and the second one is keep sharpening your sword. Last but not least, thank you very much for your attention, ladies and gentlemen.
So right now it's time for yes, to wave up. Please stand here. Okay, so right now it's time for judges for your question.
Hello, I'm just talking about planning. So, what do you think a good plan should contain?
She's speaking, you repeat it again.
A good lesson plan. What do you think it should contain? What elements make a good lesson plan?
Thank you very much for your questions. A good lesson plan. We should, before we plan, we have to read. So reading is the best way to have a very good lesson plan. We should have the